So you want to play Minecraft Anarchy. You're tired of fucking lagging on 2B2T. You go Constantiam, because that's the next most popular one. You spawn somewhere here, and you're like, oh, what the fuck is this bullshit? Kill yourself. Respawn. Now you're somewhere fucking decent on the ground. Now, that's fucking step 1. You're spawned somewhere decent. Step 2. Pick a direction to go. Make sure to walk. Don't jump unless necessary. Do not run, or you will starve to death. You wander, and behold, the whole of spawn is covered in lava. Now, your first instinct may be to run to chat.
Hey guys, don't make fun of me because I'm new, but how do you get over this lava wall? Do I got to mine dirt and hop over that bitch?
No, you don't.
Oh, anyone got some podiums for me so I can get some fireproof up in this bit?
No, that's not how it works.
Can someone set me up a little nether portal so I can get past the lava wall, get out of spawn?
No, it's a lot easier than that. But you fucking do. You go, oh wow, there's a lot of fucking lava here, but guess what? There's no fucking lava under here. And look at that. Ta-da. Holy shit, I actually dug this one earlier. But yeah, ta-da. Yeah, the fucking tunnel under it. Easy. Wow, what a fucking challenge. Alright, you get lagged back. No problemo. Bam, easy. Easy fucking peasy. Oh wait. Oh no, this is the right side. Yep, see? Ta-da! You're out of spawn. Congratulations. Enjoy your fucking time on Constantiam.